Hi, I'm Sharon Diehl. I'm a fourth stage neuroendocrine carcinoma patient. I have incurable cancer. I've been diagnosed for about a year and a half, and I've been doing these videos for about 3 months so that I can convince myself that I have a reason to live, that I can find joy, and I can spread it to others. If we don't have joy in our life, then we don't want to be here. If we can't find joy, we can't spread joy. But I found out that it's a cycle. And you have to find it to spread it, and then you have to spread it to get it. And which came first, the chicken or the egg? Doesn't matter as long as you're in the cycle. No. So I wanted to update for people who've been following me. I'm back from the dead. I had some serious oral surgery. This side of my face is still swollen and a little droopy and extremely painful. I had 2 teeth taken out. They were not savable. The dentist decided that he just needed to take them completely out, and that we will talk about the other nightmare that comes behind that at a later date, because I'm just not going to talk about it. The exciting things that are happening in my life that are giving me joy. Now, we're going to get straight away to the cat, because my last video said that we were afraid we were putting our cat down, and Falcor is alive and kicking. After the 3rd vet, we finally got a correct diagnosis. If it's not correct, he's responding fantastically to the treatment. They're treating him for meningitis, and that's swelling around the brain. And he has recovered so quickly, so fast with the steroids, that we feel like this is probably the treatment that he needed, and it's what he's getting, and he's getting so much better, so much faster. And we've been waiting for a week for him to respond to any medication, so this was extremely good news. The second most exciting news, don't you know, with me, it would be about a plant. Because my husband came in and he said, we have 2 pineapples blooming. If you've never seen a pineapple bloom, it actually has little purple flowers on it. And when they bloom, they just look like a very it's a very prickly, that's the word I was looking for. It's a very prickly plant. You can see that it looks an awful lot like a pineapple, but it's very, very small. It's probably 2 or 3 inches at the most, but it's very exciting to me. Of course, every little plant, every time I get a new little plant, it's exciting to me. So of course a new pineapple would be exciting to me, and having 2. I checked all of my pineapple plants. I think I have 9 pineapple plants, and 2 of them have blooms on them. So that's extremely exciting. And then it gave me a lot of joy. And I needed that, because I think I've been asleep for 2 days, and I have not had to worry about the cat, and I have not had to worry about whether my husband was going to be here to take care of me because of this coronavirus. He's been here all week, so when I needed him after oral surgery, he was here, and that worked out great. I have been more on Zoom this week than I ever thought would be possible. I was in 12-step meetings. I was on Zoom with 2 doctors on telephone consultations with 2 doctors this week. So it's an exciting time we live in, where we can be face to face and talk instantly with the doctor and have feedback right there. It's really unfathomable for that to be happening in my lifetime. I'm trying to wrap my brain around the technology that we have from the time I was born until now, and it's just unbelievable. Every generation would say their grandchildren would be amazed if they knew how we grew up. And I think that's just going to be always and forever. It's always going to be like that. The generational gap between a grandparent and a grandchild, that 20-year gap, is such a small leap in technology. So many things can happen during that short period of time that it makes a lifetime for someone unbelievable at what we've seen. So I'm just hanging in there. I am putting ice packs on my face. I am swishing with medicated mouthwash and taking a little bit of pain medication and trying really hard to be on my best behavior. And I hope to be here tomorrow. I'll check in with you then. Thanks. Bye.